Hi students, exercise problem number 9. Suppose unknowingly you wrote the universal gravitational constant value as G equal to 6.67 into 10 power plus 11 instead of the correct value G equal to 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. What is the acceleration due to gravity G dash for this incorrect G? What will be your weight? What will be your weight then? So actually there will be a lot of confusion among the students while assuming the value of capital G, whether it is 10 power plus 11 or minus 11. So they have asked this problem based on that idea. So we have to assume the wrong value, 10 power plus 11 instead of minus 11, and we have to determine the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, for this the mass of the earth and the radius of the earth are required. So mass of the earth is ME is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kilogram, and the radius of the earth is equal to 6400 kilometer. So this can be written as 6400 into 10 power 3 meter, or this is 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Okay, now first the correct value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So for that the acceleration due to gravity is equal to capital G into mass of the earth divided by r square, radius of the earth the square. So this we have determined as what 9.8 meter per second square. When you substitute the correct value of capital G means then the acceleration due to gravity value on the surface of the earth on an average it is calculated to be equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now wrong value for incorrect value of capital G. So the acceleration due to gravity is to be taken as G dash. Okay. So for this the incorrect value of G is 6.67 into 10 power plus 11. Okay. Into mass of the earth. Mass of the earth is what? 6 into 10 power 24 kg. So 6 into 10 power 24 kg divided by radius the whole square. So this is 6.4 into 10 power 6 the whole square. So this you have to verify with the calculator. So when you multiply the numerator means it is 40.1534. Okay, 1534 into 10 power 11 is there already, into 10 power 24 is there, divided by, now 10 power 6 whole square is how much? 10 power 6 whole square is 10 power 12. So first I will write this powers as 10 power 12. Then 6.4 into 6.4 is 40.96. So this is 40.96. Now you adjust the powers of 10. 10 power 24 into 10 power 11 is 10 power 35. This 10 power 35 minus 10 power minus 12 will come, is it not? So this will be into 10 to the power of 35 minus 12. This 10 power 23 will remain. And this ratio if you find means it is coming as 0.979. So that this decimal can be shifted to the right side of 9. So that it is 9.79 into 10 power 22, or G dash is equal to 9.8. We can round it off as 9.8 into 10 power 22 into 10 to the power of 22. So this decimal has come here, therefore one power is reduced to 10 power 22. Understand? Don't confuse with the 10 powers. So it is 9.8 into 10 to the power of 22. Therefore, weight W dash is equal to M into G dash. So this is M into 9.8 into 10 to the power of 22. So we find that W dash is 10 power 22 times greater than the weight on the earth. Understand? So here in this case, first case, W is equal to M into G. Whereas here this is M into G into 10 power 22. Therefore, what is W dash is equal to 10 power 22 times W. Understand? So, if you wrongly assume the value of G as 10 power plus 11 instead of 10 power minus 11, then we find that the weight has increased how many times? 10 power 22 times. I hope you have understood. Fine.